See, my thing is what is Utpal. Utpal is an individual. Okay. Now it is who has considered me for the ticket. His name also had gone. My name also was gone. But I think party thought it better to give it to me because first and foremost to justify because I was a sitting MLA itself. I'm just trying to say. I think party told Mr. I'm not here to give Mr. Utpal advice. He's like a son to me. I've got a son as big as him. So what I would like to say. However, there's still time. Let us all work together. My appeal is let's work together to fulfill your father's dreams. So let's do it together. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, BJPचे सध्या फॅमिली राजाचे एलिगेशन जाता आणि स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम यू, बाबूश, जेनिफर and रोहित मनसरात.
Now this is all coming from you all only, I think. You all are the people who are giving the feeding. First and foremost, you tell me. Jennifer is 2 times MLA. She's for the past 10 years. So there's nothing new as far as our family is concerned. See, what is this family Raj you are talking about? Family Raj is okay if you are. It is like a king, and king gives a crown to his son, and then their daughter and whoever it is, his descendants. Here we have gone to the people. People have voted us. So in a democracy, anyone can contest just because my wife is there, or my son is there, or someone is there. It is ultimately the right of the people. It is the right of the people to decide whether they want it. There were so many people, other people also whose family came into this thing, but people did not accept it. So it is. I feel leave it to the people. So cut this topic once for all. That family Raj and all.
Let
There's nothing
people
about
decide.
family Raj. That is people's Raj. That is important.
Let people decide.